Benang Waterfall is epic. It is really amazing. Here we are, our final day in Senigi at Alberto's B&B. It's been fantastic to be here. I've never been somewhere where the staff are so helpful and so friendly. It's been a real pleasure to be here for the last 4 nights. Senigi as a whole, it is off season, so it's pretty quiet, pretty chilled. It's a bit of a ghost town, to be fair. So it was great for me because I wanted to catch up on loads of work, but if you want something a bit more lively, then now here, Kuta is the place to be, and that's where I'm going to go next. So it's going to be about an hour-and-a-half journey down there. The taxi from here is going to cost 250,000 rupiah, which is roughly 15–16 pounds. So we'll see how the journey goes, but I'm looking forward to a bit of a party and a bit more people and a bit more of an atmosphere this weekend. So let's see, I need a good drink. Here we are, leaving Alberto's. A great friendly goodbye from everybody. Even the manager gave me a phone call and thanked me for staying. Like, guys, if you're around Senigi, stay here. These guys are really nice, super nice. And now we're with Dean in the cab. Kuta, here we come. So we're just coming up to a symbolic statue. Did you see the oyster on the top? Hope it's got a pearl in. Here we are, just coming to Kuta. We've arrived at Mad Monkey. It did take just over an hour. Here we go. Let's see how mad this monkey is. Hello. Aloha.
Welcome to your hostel.
So here we are, another day, another bed. Nice big double bed. Loads of room right next to the pool. Let's check what the toilet and shower is saying. Loads of room. Hopefully a nice powerful shower. We know we like these. And this is a nice room. Let's see how loud it is tonight. Right, we are in the ends, Kuta. Let's see what you have. First things first, cappuccino with a dairy alternative, may I add. It has promise. Good coffee machine, good blender. Come on, where's the dairy alternative? Oh yes. Outside. That's what we're talking about. Oat milk. I've just walked 5 minutes from the hostel and look at this beachfront. What a view. It almost looks artificial. It's that nice. Kuta is looking good. Looks like plenty of things to do. It is quiet, but we know that it's off season. but quiet is good at the minute. Plenty of options. I'm just gonna go and try and find a gym. Nice big roads, plenty of space, plenty of restaurants. We have a gym. This is not good. Just seen a monkey in a cage, and as crazy and as nasty they are, that's not cool. Sorry bro. So far I'm getting good vibes with Kuta. The beach looks fantastic over to the left when you walk out there. Over to the right it's sort of a fisherman, it's a bit messy. So I'll be going down there tomorrow, but obviously sticking to the left. Some good restaurants, some good bars. Big wide roads, and I'll keep coming back to that, but after Bali, roads are a good thing now. Good roads. And yeah, first hour here, I like it. Quiet, but I still like it. And as long as it's busier tonight, then all is good. Good morning, we're just about to head out to find some waterfalls. We're about an hour and 10 minutes away, so we're going to jump on the scooter and let's go and find these waterfalls. They're meant to be epic, but we'll see. That ride was awful, I'm not gonna lie. It took me through the centre of sort of Lombok. Lots of traffic, lots of congestion. My bum is killing me. But the last sort of 15-20 minutes, it's really nice. You're going through sort of the rice fields and the villages, so it's a lot more scenic and a little bit more fun if you're on the bike. Here we are. I'm just about to get my ticket and I'm gonna go and look for Benang Waterfalls. There's meant to be around 5 waterfalls, but from what I hear, that's the main one. I've heard it's 60,000 rupees, and they also try and upsell a tour guide. So we're gonna find out, see what these guys are about. There's a lot of them waiting for me, so we'll see. So here we have it, 75,000 rupees. We're gonna go and find these waterfalls. There's meant to be 4. We'll see. So when you arrive here, you don't pay there, you've got to go up here, pay there, and then you can jump back on your scooter and go through here. Here we are, heading to Benang Waterfalls. So it's taking about 10 minutes to get here, probably less, about 5 to 6 minutes. And you can literally ride right up to the gates and then you're here. Also got a guy just following me around. I didn't get a guide, thought I'd go solo on this one. So I'm just gonna have to try and get rid of him, because it's well signposted. So once you find the waterfall that you want to go to, you just follow the paths. Let's see through here. There you go. So if you look down, hopefully that's it. So we've got a decent path as well down here. You can see the waterfall from up here. You can hear it. Should have definitely put some mosquito repellent on. I think I'm going to be in a bad way later. So it's 10:15 here in the morning, and I've only seen 2 tourists. Wow, look at this. Multiple waterfalls. Come on. Look at that. Benang Waterfall is epic. It is really amazing. Most amount of people I've seen down there was probably 7, so it's pretty quiet as well. It takes about 5 minutes to walk down from the sign. I've just walked back up. About 7-8 minutes to walk back up. As I said, the pathways are really well maintained, so it's easy to get down there, easy to get back up. Enjoy. Monkey Wars Part 6. Oh, he's after biscuits or something. One of the girls have got biscuits. He looks angry. Fuck off. These monkeys are nice, are they? Not friendly. I'm a fast runner. I think I'm faster than the girls. I might have a chance. Yeah, something I'm learning. I don't know if it's quickly or quite slowly, but monkeys don't like cameras put on them. I think they think it's a gun or something like that. Keep showing my teeth. I do not want to get bitten by a monkey. Rabies, zombies, it's not a good life. Benang Circle, I see you. Oh, this looks like another epic waterfall. See the water trainers. I'm not sure about these toilets. Option A, B, I think that's someone's bedroom. C, D, E, F. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna have to go with C. Oh no, it's not even a toilet. Back to A it is. Toilet life in the jungle. You're either scared to death of what you're going to catch or what's going to bite you in there. Here we are. Nobody but me. 5 minutes walk from the car park. You cannot go wrong. I've just seen some monkeys. There's like 4 of them, so I'm gonna get ready for battle. There we have it, some amazing waterfalls there, but I'm not gonna lie, there's a lot of monkeys at the bridge. Some woman's just whipping them. I need to get close to that woman so that she helps me. But these monkeys, oh man, this is gonna get I'm gonna have to run. We're gonna have. Oh shit, there's loads of them. Ladies, wait for me. Help me. Some monkeys out. Oh, the babies and everything everywhere. I'm going this way. I'm going this way. There's too many at the bridge. Oh, hopefully they don't follow me. I'm about to start running. Okay, update. I went round the monkeys, so it's looking good. Oh no, there's more. Oh, then people are feeding it. Oh, sugar. After you, ladies, you know how to keep monkeys away. After you. That's what I need, a stick. Okay, we're good. We're good, we're good. Oh no, there's another one there. There's a boss, there's a boss man there. Everyone for themselves. Jungle warfare. May the strongest survive. That's how it's meant to be. Come on, let's get out of here. Where's my scooter? So I think I'm clear of the monkeys. If not, I'm faster than these other guys, so I feel like I'll get away with it. However, 2 waterfalls, epic waterfalls, really enjoyed it. I've been here for like 2 hours. I could go and find the other 2, but I don't really want to go any more remote. So these monkeys like are chasing you, trying to get into your bags and stuff, so good luck if anyone does find the other 2. Take a big stick with you. So I'm going to head back. It's really easy to get to these waterfalls, by the way. Really good paths all the way down. You can get the scooter pretty much close to within 5-6 minutes walk. We just walk over to a waterfall. Super quiet. I think maybe maximum 7-8 people were at the waterfall at the same time as me, which is great for waterfalls because normally there's a mad queue. Oh no. It's okay, no monkey. So good luck, guys. I'm not looking forward to my ride back. If you do come here, be careful on the bikes, have your helmet or get a driver. If you're coming from longer, like 90 minutes away, definitely get a driver. It's not worth it. It's dubious to say the least. All the best. Definitely come and check these waterfalls. Over and out. Benang and Colombo. I preferred Colombo. This is better for me. Let me know what you think in the comments. Just stopped off for a quick food stop. So just as you leave the waterfalls here, you got all these restaurants. So I've gone for the soup, 35,000, which is £1.88. And an obligatory coconut. When in the jungle, we eat coconuts. So it's a Sunday evening here in Kuta. What better thing to do than a bit of care to my body. Going for a 30-minute facial, a 30-minute body scrub, and then a 1-hour full body massage. Yes. So for that it's 380, so you're looking around the £22 mark. Let's see how good it is. Time to get changed. Well, I am all done. It was a fantastic massage. We started with a massage and then we went into a body scrub and then the facial. 2 hours of bliss. I have been pampered and now I'm going to finish it off with a ginger tea and some cookies. Thank you very much. Heard about this place, heard it's a place to be. Mama Pizza, here we go. Hey man, can I get a table for one inside?
One people? Yeah, please.
Ah, yes. Thank you, Mama Pizza. Great bruschetta. It did take a while to come, but it was pretty late, about 8:30 when I got in there, so it was pretty packed, probably about 80% capacity. The meal came to 173,000 rupees, which is £9.27. Pricey for Indonesia, but cheap compared to the UK. Thank you very much. Rascals, it has been a pleasure. Home from home, it's been fun, it's been emotional. I actually do feel a little emotional that I'm leaving. It is an adult only hotel. Read into that what you may, but this place is great. Real sort of family, homely feel. And I'm gutted to be leaving. Right, so here we are, we're at the airport, ready to leave Lombok. 120,000 rupees, and it took about 20 minutes from centre of Kuta. Thank you very much. Here's my man, here's my guy.
Thank you so much.
I'll put his details up, so if you need a lift when you're in Kuta, he's your man. Hi mate. Ah, pretty serious that guy. Right, nice and quiet. This is how we like airports. Quiet, straight into the lounge, do some work, jump on the flight, and head out of here. Hopefully I haven't stayed beyond my restricted allowance of 2 months. You know there's always something gonna happen. Have I forgotten anything? No. Not that way. This is the sort of queue I like. Okie dokie, so I've just checked in my bag and I was 2 kilos over and they wanted to charge me 300,000? Yes, no, 400,000. So it was like £20. So it was only 2 kilos over. So I went in for a little sneaky, slow opening my bag and they let me off. Happy days. Does anyone else get nervous at immigration, or is it just me? Illegal immigrant.